Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy ETFs right here on CMC Markets. And if you want to buy ETFs, first of all, click here on Reset. And then what you need to do is go right here to ETFs. Then you can select right here the country. So we click here on the country, and then you will find right here all the ETFs that you can share. Right now, what we need to do is let's search for S&P 500. For example, right there, we click on that. And now we can create ourselves a position on the S&P 500. So if you now click here on buy and fill in the amount that we want to step in with. Now, not 500 units. That's very impressive, but $500, then fill that in. Then right now we click right here on stop loss if you want to add that or take profit. And then right now we click on place a market buy order with costs. And then right now we created ourselves a nice position on the S&P 500. So this is how you can buy ETFs right here on CMC Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.